double slag.
Oo.
Pero hindi kayo lagsak.
Lag.
Ay, hindi ka lag sa akin.
Nasa labas
Hindi
kasi.
na.
Hindi kayo lag sa akin.
Medyo maingay yung paligid mo.
Mag-remove background noise.
Tapos, paano yun?
Ayan, nag-try ako.
Paano yun?
Sa settings,
Guys,
yung
blurred ako.
pilit.
Blurred daw ako. Uy, hindi ako hapon ah.
Hi guys, so ito, tutorial muna kami kung paano mag-live ang mga lola.
Kamusta
Wait lang, paano?
Lola, what happened to you?
At least hindi siya namamaga.
Paano
Parang lola.
Si AJ parang lola.
Oo. And then her camera's like,
Yo.
AJ,
Can you hear me?
Sabi nila, AJ, blink twice if you need help.
Hoy! Rinig niyo ba ako?
yeah. So for today's video, wala. We're gonna be, it's actually our 4th year anniversary, like our actual real updated anniversary.
Because
Yes, our anniversary.
we actually consider this as a new anniversary kasi ito yung...
Ang ingay mo, AJ!
AJ, maingay.
Hanap ako ng... Wait lang.
Sinasabi natin.
Sorry. Hanap ako ng lugar.
Ito magla-live na ako kay Althea. Kasi
Yung mga OG bullets, like what Alfie was saying, they know that, before our anniversary was last month, but we have updated our anniversary now because we have started this era with Palaban, who's the has the 3 Palaban. Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy anniversary! And
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Jake.
wait lang, magiging dalawa si Althea.
Blurred talaga daw ako.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay din naman. Okay din naman kayo.
Ka naman.
Wait lang. Hanap. Dito.
AJ, mag-jeep na.
Invite ko si Althea. Kawawa naman si Althea. Wala pa siya dito.
At dahil naghanap si AJ ng single at spot lugar.
Hala, paano ba to? Hi!
You guys don't know,
Eh, kasi ako
Ayan.
kay T22.
we just announced our concert.
Malinaw naman daw ako.
Our concert and our concert poster with the ticket prices. We added.
Ba't ayaw niya mag-add kay Althea? Sige, wag na. Bye-bye, guys. Sinan ko yung kay Althea.
Ano daw?
She's gonna add her.
Blurred pa rin daw ako eh.
Hindi ka blurred.
Althea, asan ka? Yun nga, hindi ko nga ma-add.
AJ, hindi ka blurred.
Huwag mong isipin na blurred ka, AJ. Hindi ka blurred.
Blurred Lines by Robin Thicke.
Ah.
AJ,
Yung hindi na maingay yung BG ko, naka-earphones nga ako eh.
pero delayed
Nakita
ka
mo
na.
ba, AJ, yung 3 dots sa baba? AJ.
3 dot sa baba. Wala akong 3 dot.
Katabi nung chair edit.
Wala akong 3 dot.
Ang crazy naman ni Jazz.
So crazy. I'm so
Tatlong
crazy.
dot.
Oh my gosh, wait. Naluloko na ako.
I'm so quirky, guys.
Paano ba to? Sorry guys. Bigyan niyo na kami.
AJ yan, guys. Kami na outfit ako lang kami.
Actually. AJ kasi, charing.
tough day.
Now I'm AJ. Hi guys, I'm G22 AJ.
So, just entertain muna the fans while we're nagpapakalola dito. Wait.
Point of view when you see a baby.
Hi again.
Guys, what am I doing? Sorry. Nagkape ako ng dalawa. Ito, 2025 life review. Achieved life goals. Best 2025 life moment. We sang together. Biggest change in 2025 appearance, inner world. I don't know, inner world. Maybe, I don't know, the hair. Well, hindi, 2026 na ba? Ay, nawala na ba? Your role in 2026 content era. Mima. Hello? AJ, mahina yung signal mo, tapos mag-filters ka pa. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. We're having
Hindi, matik yan. Normal ko yan.
nag-message si Althea na nawala siya. And nawala din si AJ naman. Alright! So, we will get back to the program shortly. Guys,
I'm still here.
Girl, you're so
I'm
loud.
still here. I'm still here.
I'm so... Oh? So, G22 official, aka G22 Althea.
Hanap na ako ng signal.
Iyak na ako, guys. Pasensya na. We are professionals in professional industry field of
Walang signal eh. Tour.
alright. So, Acer, I hope soon that you'll have internet. Okay, guys. Alright, please stay with us. My members will be with you shortly. Isa naglalakad, isa nawala. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala.
Ako, ayan, may signal na ako. I have
Ayan.
signal na.
Yes. Stay there, AJ. Don't move. Don't move.
Yes. I'll stay here. I'm not gonna move. People are gonna be
Don't
watching
leave,
me,
don't
so...
shout. Live, laugh.
Hi guys, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing great.
Ali, Leos, C3,
We will sell... What?
AJ is the woman who can't be moved. Yes, AJ, that's right. Don't move.
I'm not moving.
I'm not moving. Yan.
Ayan. She's here.
Ang kilikili.
Ayan.
Yan.
Nil-start nila nang hindi nagsasabi. So I was like, what's happening?
We are here. We are together. Ready and shoot.
Hi guys, so meron kaming bagong... Guys, we will celebrate our anniversary na.
Yeah.
On... When?
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Gab. Thank you.
When?
Huwag mo kaming kainan, AJ.
Imagine doing that here, like outside.
Guys, feeling ko, let's talk
Let's get
about...
physical. Let's get physical.
I think kailangan mo ayusin yung official yung...
It's our 4th year. It's since our anniversary. Let's talk about some of the memories we have.
Yo.
Some funny stories.
A lot.
So for some reason, nung Trini days kami, I mean, we know why. He's an amazing artist. But we did a lot of Inigo Pascual songs.
Yes.
Also did Lost. Did you know we did Lost? We did, ano,
Yung, not my problem, not my problem.
Girl, that's Doja Cat. Hi! Thank you.
AJ, pansinin mo ako, please. Hello, Chelabs.
Come to Brazil. Brazil. I want to go to Brazil. Is that a Brazilian song? I don't think
I don't know. Sorry po. Sorry.
Ira.
Yes.
Ano today?
Today has been so stressful for me.
Kinain na naman siya tayo ni AJ.
Today, I don't know what to feel about today.
AJ.
I'm just scared of the internet today.
Yeah, we're Team AJ's side. So if you've got a problem, you can add.
Wait lang, bago ang lahat, bakit ba ngayon yung bago nating anniversary?
Ngayon ba?
Yes, I was
Oo, ngayon.
Kasi nga, na-release si... Papapalaban.
Ito na po yung bagong anniversary namin kasi ito yung official na buo talaga kami. Kami na to.
Yes, talaga naman.
Yes.
At hindi lang anniversary ang pinag-uusapan natin today dahil nag-announce kami ng solo concert!
Yes!
Concert ang na-announce, pati ang ticket prices!
Yes! Ang tears! Yes!
Pesos. Thank you guys.
Also, ticket selling soon.
Yes, ipon-ipon na guys. Bibigyan namin kayo ng time para makapag-ipon syempre.
Just enough time.
Nakakangal. Ay,
Time. So,
Lalo na after ng payday nyo.
yes, we will wait for that. And once the ticket website comes out, you better get your tickets now before they get bought by us.
Yes. Nag-ano ba sila dito? Nagbaban ba sila dito na nagpapatugtog?
hindi.
Papatugtog ako sa songs natin.
Also guys, ang masasabi ko din, mahal namin kayo. Alam namin yan. Ramdam namin yan. So don't doubt yourself for loving us dahil alam namin yan.
At dahil dyan, love you too.
Ikaw lang mahal. Ate. Naka-earphones ako.
Sorry, Ben.
Mama ng onte, be.
Eto.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gaan mo konti. Thank you
Ito.
for the flowers.
Eto.
Pwede na yan, pwede na yan.
Wala nang tunog. Ano mo si Rhea?
So guys,
Pass around music.
ganito ako, nakatayo lang ako dito, di ako mangangalay.
So pag may nakatayo kayo dyan, kung nasa labas kayo, may nakita kayo nakatayo lang sa labas, si AJ yun.
Ako yun.
Wow!
Wow! Thank you for the...
Thank you for the flowers.
Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the cat. Thank you for the cat. Meow, meow.
So dito lang talaga ako. Oh my God, mukha akong timang. Wait lang.
Hala, oh my gosh, thank you for the dog. Purr.
Yes, guys, see you there, babes. We're like screaming on top of each other because there's so much things going on. I'm so sorry, guys. But please, July 12th is our concert at New Frontier. Na-announce yung venue?
So dito lang ako.
Na-announce na yung venue, be?
Na-announce na yung venue. Venue Frontier. Charing.
New Frontier.
Ay, akala ko ako nag-announce. Alright!
At na-announce na rin ang special guest natin, si Shrek.
Shrek. May i-announce ko pa ba, Jazz? Kasi ako yung place, New Frontier.
Ako yung guest,
AJ.
Shrek.
Hey,
Ikaw, Jazz.
ano, may special effect. Yung microphone ni AJ.
Uy!
Yun yung, alam mo na papasok kami sa
Hi, Ash. Jazz, sabi ni Janela, I love you daw.
I love you, Janela.
Ba't daw nagiging rhino si AJ, sabi ni Luis. Sabi ni All Royal Young, isang hi naman, Jazz, please.
Nakakangalay pala to, guys.
Thank you, I'm Takwawa. I love the question.
Alright, so if you have any, dahil anniversary,
Ay,
you can
thank you.
we have Any questions? Sorry.
Ay, di ba mag-ano tayo? Di ba magbe-beach tayo? Soon? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba?
Tapos alam ko, maraming free ng time na yan.
If you have any comments for an anniversary or a
Thank you
concert,
for the flower.
Mahal namin kayo, guys. Mahal ko kayo. Promise, promise, promise.
anong
Andiyan si Jeppy Tot. Andiyan si Jeppy Tot. Andiyan si Jeppy Tot. Ay, Jeppy.
Ganun din ang gift. Si Jeppy Tot yung prank in the sky.
Pranking myself.
Pranking myself.
Guys, nangangalay na ako.
Hilili mo yan.
Ano inclusion ng ticket? To be announced soon. Kasama yan ng ticket selling.
Malapit na rin ma-announce yan. Kaya abang-abang na lang tayo.
Sorry, the girls and I have been conceptualizing this with a team for a long time, so we're gonna make it worth your
Oh my
while.
gosh, magpapakita ng mukha si G22 official. Charot. Akala ko magpapakita.
Makikita na si
Guys, am I here? Like, this is G22?
Yeah.
Oh, Galaxy! Wow!
Uy, thank you for the
Right.
galaxy.
Parang grand sponsor si Mommy Pin.
Sana nagustuhan mo yung Dubai Chewy. Yes! Sasarap ng Dubai Chewy chocolate. Thank you so much.
We want merch.
Meron, guys.
Yung Machi.
Announce lang soon.
Wow, thank you for the disco.
Hi, Janela.
Grabe yung disco, thank you.
Pwede ba umupo dito? Mukha akong timang kasi pag umupo ako dito.
Okay lang, basta di ka papaalisin. Hindi mo lang naman kung di ba lang?
Nasa stage. Alam nyo, na-realize ko, sinulat ko yung lakong pake, pero I realize I care too much. Wow.
Para sa sarili mo, para i-convince sa sarili mo na wala ka.
Para ko.
The Nile is a river in Egypt.
Egypt. Ay, akala ko of Egypt.
Your husband.
Sleeping with my charing. Mali. Ano ba to?
Guys, saan pwede makakuha ng official photo cards nila? We will release...
Ah, sa sariling mundo.
we will... Wait.
Baka mag-spoiler ka, AJ, ah.
AG, ah.
Tapos, basta ano guys, yung tickets namin, sobrang gusto namin. Hindi sayang. I mean, sobrang sulit.
Hindi kayo magsisisi na pumunta kayo sa concert.
Gusto namin sulit.
Promise. Light
Kaya
stick.
gusto namin sana kayo sa concert namin, guys.
May guest kayo. Kayo yung guest na.
Kayo yung guest namin kasi gusto namin makikisabay kayo sa mga kanta namin. Uy, thank
Ay,
you.
taray, may paano.
Taray ng kitapin. Ah, nakikita rin yung mga...
Guys, pag nag-sold... Niko ni, anata wa niko de.
Saan yung place?
So,
The place is New Frontier Theater. It's near Araneta
Mga nagsasend ng gift.
New Frontier Theater.
Nandun daw ba si Alpea sa
July
concert?
12.
Sana nga.
Lechi.
Depende.
Grace us with your presence,
Ako
Althea.
rin sure. Baka busy ako.
Baka busy siya eh.
Iwan na lang kami ni
Baka
AJ
busy siya.
when we were young. Adele. 22.
Wala, si G22 Vision.
何してるのちとえとフィッシャー何してるの
What does that mean, AJ?
What are you doing, G22 official?
Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy!
Guys, pinag-iisipan pa namin yung happy anniversary, happy 1 year.
Idea. Wow!
Actually,
I just thought of an idea.
actually,
Pinag-iisipan namin yung... go.
sasabihin ko lang sana yung kinoconsider natin, again, yung sarili natin, na 1 year, yung debut song natin is yung Palaban na because yun talaga yung nag-mark ng kung sino tayo and also... Ba't nga ba ulit?
Sa Palaban tayo! Woo!
thank you for the...
We fought for ourselves. We fought for this group to work. We fought for our dreams. Yun. It's 1 year of fighting.
Work.
And talagang
So-
kaming tatlo na to. Kaming tatlo.
Oh! There's a whale.
Yun, it's a whale. Nahanap ko kung sino nagbigay. Oh my gosh, di ko na makita ulit. Send ka isa pa para makita ko. Sorry.
A whale.
And happy Women's Month as well.
Why are you shouting?
AJ, don't shout it out.
Ay, sorry kasi nakadikit yung...
Sabi ni AJ kanina. And happy Women's Month as well.
Oh my gosh. It's like a...
Wow,
hindi na makawala.
Send talaga ng send. Ah!
Sagot na isang buwan.
Yeah,
Sagot na isang buwan yan, no, ni Jasmine.
Isang ticket na yan.
Ang ticket na
Tita,
yan.
huwag kang gumastos, tita, pang ticket yan.
Yes.
Ay, alam, basta boses ko.
Okay, girls, what's your favorite dance step from Palaban?
This part.
Ako, the beginning, this one.
Yes.
Bigyan
One
niyo
of
ako ng
faves niya
tips.
sa Palaban performance video.
Anong favorite lyric nyo?
Yung
Comment down below.
fave scene ko is yung umuulan.
Alam mo, puro tanong. Guys, hindi pwede yung light stick barrel kasi guys, consider din natin baka hindi kayo papasukin sa mga malls, hindi kayo hindi nyo pwede madala yan kahit saan kasi mukha siyang barrel.
May pool sa concert.
Confiscate yan, sayang pera.
Kami, sub-sponsored.
Yes, we always consider these things. So, yes.
Ga? May tanong.
7% na lang ako, di ako nakapag-charge.
Si Alpea ba magba-badminton dun sa concert?
Yes. Yun yung
Yun yung solo niya.
Yun yung special ano ko.
Tapos si AJ mag-rock climbing sa cortina.
Wow! Thank you!
Oh, whale.
Grabe.
Isa nagsend ng gift.
Tita, grabe yung gastos mo.
Para sa Honda yun, ma.
Sino ba yung nagsasend ng whale? Whale?
Si Tita Pin.
Hindi, may iba pa. Kaso nga lang kasi yun, hindi niya puro emoji.
Guys. I'm snatched na. Wow.
Kasi AJ daw mag-golf sa solo concert niya.
Aray. Sige. Mas masakit yun, guys.
Ang pussy! Wala, ang cute. Sabi mo.
Anong pussy?
Pussy clean, pussy.
This is fresh.
Yo! The cat.
Pero presko nga, I love Cavite.
I love you.
I love you too.
Really?
You too.
I love you, Tree.
Sino yung pangatlo?
TG22 official. I love you. I love you before and I love you more.
Naka-live post lang siya, guys.
Oh, whale.
Oh,
Ano
wow.
yung whale?
Whale. Ayan, siya yung nagsasend ng whale. Yung emoji. OMG, thank you.
Magkikilay si Jazz sa solo ko.
With Maybelline, ano?
Hey guys, it's my solo prod. I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows.
Consistent. Oh.
Iba yun, ah.
Uy, yung kanta ni Maybelline natin.
Imagine. Wow. Hindi, may bago eh.
Grabe guys, huwag niyo nang hahayaang paabutin yung sarili niyo na kailangan niyo magparod ka na. Ang sakit. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang sakit. Hindi siya nakakagawa.
Get ready with me to go to the G22 concert.
Wow.
Ayos sa sarili. Para sa content.
Naawa naman ako. Ay. Muntik na ako mag-link na live. Bakit? Tapos si Alpha yung maglalagay ng contact lens. May spot
idea. Oh, guys.
Grabe kayo, guys.
In fairness,
Tagalog tongue twister ang solo ni Jazz.
get ready without me. Hi guys, get ready without me.
Oh, ready na siya. So ano ba yung mga questions? Ay, hindi. Drop na lang kayo ng mga gusto nyo makita sa solo concert namin. Pero syempre, hindi namin sasabihin kung makikita nila. Mag-drop lang kayo.
Drop it like it's hot.
Wow, thank you so much. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko talaga... Ninja Sparkle Rose.
Solo prod ni AJ, magugupit lang
Separate ng bangs. Grabe.
AJ, lag ka ba? Or...
Yung merch, guys. Kaya mag-spoil.
You are my universe.
Ayan na siya. Nagbigay din siya ng universe. Ayan, si Creed pala yun.
AJ, are you good, bro?
Seated ba mga mima or standing po? Basta mga mima. Dance step daw sa Groove On.
Not only is it our anniversary for Palaban and our bagong anniversary, this month is also the anniversaries of our Cloud9s, Angels, and Jazzlings. So happy anniversary sa aming mga loves. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope.
Happy birthday, Kyrie! Aabot ba kayo sa balcony? Naka-motor helmet selfie sa solo vlogs. Tama na, guys.
4% na lang ako.
Ate ko.
Exchange lines. Ginawa natin yun. Pero, I was doing this.
Oo. Nasa vlog namin yan, guys. Tapos ako ilang minutes lang yung ano ko, nagkabulol-bulol ako sa fast party. Sana po lahat
Kahit papunta
dito sa live
balcony.
ngayon ay makabili ng SBIP ticket.
Wow, thank you so much for the follow.
Lalaban pa ba yung battery ni AJ? Haha. Lalaban pa daw ba siya? Ayun.
Namatay siya? Hindi.
Hello?
Hello.
Thank you, Ninja, for the whale.
Aw, thank you. Thanks, guys. Naghahang ata si AJ, haha. Laban lang daw AJ, sabi ni Deanor.
Feeling ko kasi 4% na lang ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nakalis na naman, guys. Saka lang.
Hindi ako pwede makicharge na sa labas ako.
So, 7.
Saan ako makikicharge? Sa, sa
6, 7.
bench?
7.
Anong may ice cream shop?
Malapit ka ba sa ice cream
Kasi
bay?
palagi may power bank usually. Sa kanya ako hiram. Minsan kay Alfie, basta ako palagi wala.
Oo.
If I have a charger, then God bless! Wow! Bless the
Congrats.
Philippines. That's like once a year. Charot.
Sana lahat po na nanonood dito ngayon makapanood po ng concert namin. Nagaganapin sa July 12. And yan. Sprinklean ko kayo ng SBIT dust.
May oras ngayon para mag-ipon kayo before we announce the ticket website, ticket selling.
Yeah.
We have announced the prices already para you can start to think about where you want to sit, also the seating plan. At the stage, we're gonna keep it a secret for now. May paandar yung stage.
Oo. Gumagalaw yung stage. Mali.
3%.
No. Ate ko, huwag kang mawala sa amin.
Manghiram ng power bank.
Thank you, Bakbak.
Dare kay AJ, manghiram ng power bank sa kung sinong dumadaan dyan ngayon. Sabi nila sa comments.
Naka-low power mode ka?
Oo.
Lahat ng challenge na nila, ganun no, manghiram ng power bank.
Hiram tayo. Hanap ako. Ayan, ayan. May power bank ka? Kapatid. May charger ka?
Akala ko stranger.
Sige, stranger. Hiram tayo sa,
Uy, joke lang.
hiram tayo sa katabing table.
I would actually do that.
I don't know.
May emergency lang.
Gusto niyo po sumama sa live ko?
AJ, mag-move it ka. Dito,
Power bank kayo.
kay Althea.
Power bank kayo.
Oo, mabilis yan. No?
3% na lang ako.
Gadget area. Parang mo.
Kasi yung car ko nasa valley.
Hindi lang. Pakita ko.
Kita mo? Subukunin mo. Kunin mo nga.
Sila.
Hindi na. Kunin mo yung... Ay, wait lang.
Tingnan mo na siya. Tumahimik! Oh my gosh!
Kumusta ka, Jen to Althea? Wow, long time no see.
Long time no see. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang naman po sa ngipin.
Yeah.
Yo, kakatapos lang natin.
We're working on something right now, guys. So we're gonna see if Althea is gonna be able to join us tomorrow. But nonetheless, Althea will.
Sali na ako agad after nung bukas.
Yeah. At least may video.
Oo.
At least the most important thing is siguro you're not jumping. You should have to mark.
Oo. Pero kaya ko na yun after ng tomorrow.
Ayanin. May gustong mag-hi.
Uy, thank you pala, Cordy. Thank you, Maritin. Thank you, Love. Shop ba yun?
Joaquin, come here.
Say hi to them.
Our godson.
Here.
Grandson.
Come here,
Joaquin,
baby
come
boy.
here. Stop.
Mercy.
Wala sa mood eh.
Come here, come here. Come here. Pasiyahin mo.
Isa, mabilis ako, mabilis ako.
Say hi to your ninang. So, ninang.
I get you. Hinang. Hi, Nina. Hi. Madali, ay, Nina. Nina.
Ayaw ka eh, nagda.
Yes, I get you. I understand.
Iyak si baby.
Iyak siya eh. Yung isa dyan, ninang na din. Ay, ninang tita na rin.
Titang ina. Tapos yung dalawa dyan, magiging ninang ulit.
So many children.
Yes.
2%. Laban, 2%.
Dalawa ko yun mong ninang. Kasi very generous sila. Charot.
Kailan ako maging
Tom.
Oo nga, ako naman. Para may extra. Ano mo?
Thank you, Fun. Thank you, Kimmy. You're awesome.
Thank you, guys. So, ano mangyayari pag namatay yung battery ni Coffee, ah?
Naka-charge ka na ba, AJ?
Hindi. Kinukuha pala yung sasakyan kasi nandun yung charger.
Ayan. Hindi ko naabang.
Mag-iintay muna tayo pagka at least may charger na si Bakla.
Hey, Mimi.
Thank you, Angels. Official. Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Tanong ni Ali. Opo, busog na ako. Thank you for the brownies.
Mga kababata ko niya. Sila Jeffrey ka na. Hindi ko singin. Sila Jeffrey ka na. Ano sila? Saan ka lumaki sa akin ng kababata ko?
I'm glad that you liked it, Kyrie. It was consensual. Anong ulam?
Oh my gosh! Hi! Thank you, Kid.
It's dinner time.
Hindi na time. Hindi na raw oras.
Dinner. What are you guys gonna eat?
Dinner pala. I ate na. I had early dinner.
Bakit? Hindi, yung sasakyan, doon ako pupunta na.
Nandun na nga sa labas.
Brown pa rin yung work.
Kunin ko na. Sasakyan na ako. Sasakyan muna ako. Aray ko, tumutik pa ako man. Saan na to? Saan nga? Ay, doon lang talaga siya laharap? Hindi pa, babalik ako. Ha?
I need you to try.
Tour.
Ayan.
Nalive tayo sa
Alam ko
vlog.
namatay na siya.
1%.
Ruby, run! Natakbo siya, Bio. Takbo siya. po, mabilis lang po, mag-charge lang ako. Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Hi, galing sa'yo.
One more.
Thank you. Yes, nasa kwarto ko yun. Ayan, umabot si Play.
Bawal daw ata mag-live sa loob ng car.
Hindi naman mahal. Hindi pa kita. So, ganito lang.
Ayan.
Ay, namatay.
Dalawa na silang naka-live po. Tapos,
Umabot?
ayan. Umabot siya. Umabot siya.
AJ.
Congratulations.
Thank you, music mo.
Yes. Nahininig niyo ba?
Pasabog naman ng background music mo, be.
You have changed your heart.
May mga gusto ba kayong sabihin bago tayo mag-concert? And dahil anniversary natin today, bagong anniversary,
Sila or tayo?
tayo. Kayo.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na it has been like yesterday I was scrolling through my iPad, like my tablet, and I saw because I use it as like a hard drive, and I saw like some of our videos, and it's just nice to see how much we've grown, like really into adulthood, and also like professionally, creatively, and can't wait in the future pa to look back on things like this, our first concert when we've had multiple albums, and look back on days like this and think, ay grabe, taray naman nila. No, but congrats guys, love you guys, and to all of our bullets. Thank you guys, you are the reason why we keep pushing and we continue to push sa Palaban era, sa musika era, sa lahat ng mga eras namin. Kaya talaga yun. And I thank you. Ikaw,
Sino?
Next.
Kuya.
Ha?
Bonde.
Ako ba?
Yes.
Ako nagtatanong eh.
Yeah, ikaw.
Hmm. Paano ba? Hindi ko alam. I'm just so grateful for those na totoo naniniwala sa craft namin and sa advocacies namin, and we're just so grateful for every bullet na naniniwala ever since hanggang ngayon and for fighting. Yes. Ayoko, maiyak ako ngayon eh. Yun na muna. Naiyak na ako kanina pa eh. Pero thank you guys. Sana huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin nararamdaman yung pagmamahal niyo kasi ramdam namin yun. Promise. Siyempre, may mga times lang na pero huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin napapahalagahan o huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin nakikita at nararamdaman yung totoo yung pagmamahal. Kasi ramdam talaga namin yun, as in sobra. Promise. Ayoko. Go, Alpea. Take it away.
Walk it.
So, si AJ po kasi naging emotional. Tapos si Jasmine, I really agree with her. Ayun po, thank you. Joke lang. Ano yung tanong ko?
Like any sentiments.
Oo nga pala. Actually, hindi pa rin ako. Actually, feeling ko kaming tatlo. Makapaniwala na magkakaroon na kami ng solo concert. And to think na sa New Frontier siya, gaganapin. It's actually, para sa amin, it's a big It's a big place para pag-performan. So, grabe yung kaba namin. Grabe rin yung mga self-doubt namin, pero at the same time, grabe rin yung tiwala namin sa inyo lahat. So, kahit anong mangyari, ginagawa namin ito para sa inyo guys, and para na rin sa mga goals and happiness namin sa buhay. So, thank you so much kasi nagiging part kayo guys ng happiness namin sa life. Naging part kayo ng inspiration namin. So, para sa inyo to. We love you guys! Also, bago ang lahat, yung isa nakapost ng live, yung isa umiiyak. Gustong-gusto namin pasalamatan yung magiging director po namin dito sa concert namin na ito, si Direk John Prats. Hi guys, ako na lang muna. Si Direk John Prats, kasi siya lang, nakakapag-meeting na kami with him. Meeting with Direk John Prats team, meeting with 1032 Lab, meeting with mga taga-CS, and also kami, very hands-on kami sa magiging concert na to. Kasi gusto namin ibigay sa inyo yung pinakakaya namin, and best na makakaya namin na concert. So, we're very hands-on and we're thankful kay Direk John Prats din kasi nagigets niya yung vision namin for this concert. Nagigets niya yung puso namin. Nagigets niya yung puso namin, nagigets niya yung gusto naming mensahe for the Bullets.
Yes. That was beautiful.
Thank you sa lahat ng team namin behind this. And also, thank you, girls.
Love you.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. What?
From Valentine's Day to anniversary. Oh my God, ano to? Ano to? Ano tayo?
Alam natin.
Oh my goodness. You like Pino?
Uy, ano ba? Huwag mong ipahalata. Shh. Sorry.
Ay. So yun, now me and Alfea will sing.
Ikaw lang.
Ayun lang guys, we just are really thankful for everything and everyone we've come across. We still have so far to go, but you know, we really want you to be a part of our first concert. We're really gonna give our best and perfect kasi we wanted to do a concert, like we didn't want to do a concert until we had an album and pinush talaga namin yung album. Kaya stream nyo yan guys para alam niyo yung lyrics pag na-concert na.
Actually, yung album, bago yan maging album, EP muna yung ano, diba? Yung plan. EP lang.
Pinush talaga namin.
Parang, tas kasama na dun guys yung Filipina Queen tsaka Palaban. Parang, so pinush talaga namin yung songs namin.
Ano yung pinush? Oh.
O, pinush talaga namin yung mga songs. Ito, nakapagsulat ng Groove On, ng First, nakapagsulat ng ang dami eh. Super Saiyan, Until When,
Filipina Queen.
Filipina Queen. So gusto talaga namin na maraming
Oh.
mabigay. Para marami rin kayong pag-aaralan bago mag-concert.
Isang Google Drive yun. Like, songs ni Alfea, songs ni AJ, songs ko. Nasa Google Drive lahat. Parang dinamp namin lahat. Like, pili na lang kayo, guys. Which one do you like?
Oo.
Buti na lang supportive.
Ano, pili-pili lang. Buti na din po siya sa CS.
Shout out
Thank you
po.
so much.
And
Thank you so much.
for your love. And also, of course, they're part of our journey. Sila nagbuo sa amin. So, we wouldn't have found each other if it wasn't for you. So thank you, Cornerstone.
Yeah.
And the director of our concert is who?
Sinabi ko na kanina, Director France.
Ay, sabi mo kanina. So,
Oo.
sorry na.
Kasi nakapost ka, oo, gets. Nakapost ka kanina. Nasabi ko na rin na yung mga meeting natin with Direk John Prats, yung 1032, and also yung very hands-on tayo
Yes.
sa concert. Kasi gusto natin nga ipakita sa kanila kung sino talaga tayo. Tsari.
Ay, kaya may family.
Wala. So, kung ikaw nga at ako. Pero, ako sasabihin ko na akin, grabe pa rin yung kaba ko sa concert. Hindi pa rin siya nagsisinkin sa akin. Like, what? May solo concert tayo? Kasi sanay ako na, yes, nagko-concert kami, but with other big artists. Parang, hindi ako sanay na yung para sa amin talaga na concert. So, hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in.
And we've accomplished a lot of large stages and venues dahil sa mga brands and fans na titiwala sa amin. So we got to taste, that and like the stages. So thank you so much first and foremost for believing in us before we even had our solo concert. For sure, you guys are gonna be there, mga ninangs.
Ilist natin lahat.
Yes. Alright, number 1.
Ninang na nagtiwala sa atin nung naging 3 tayo.
Ninang Acer. Love you, Ninang!
Thank you so much, Ninang Acer, for believing in us. And talagang dinadala niyo rin kami kung saan-saan. Kasi grabe yung tiwala niyo sa amin.
Ninang Acer pure as well because
Oo. Tama na po natin kahit pa paano si Predator fam.
until the end of my life, I will be using Acer.
Mga ano din. Sino ba second after ni Acer?
In order,
Yeah?
Ninang Pauline? No.
Sorry po.
Ninang Bench? No, Ninang...
Yata.
I don't know the order. Wait.
Wait lang, nasa highlights ko lang to.
Ninang Maybelline ata.
Ninang Maybelline nga yata, oh.
Ninang Maybelline! Dream talaga yun. Oh my
Ninang
God.
Pure Gold muna! Ninang Pure Gold! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Fairy Gold Mother. Aming Fairy Gold Mother. Maraming salamat po. Talaga sprinklean niyo kami ng inyong blessings sa buhay. Isa rin kayo sa nagtiwala sa amin.
That's true. And if I may not be mistaken, I think our next fairy in our life, we call them fairies as well because they're like magic. They give us so much inspiration. It feels like magic. I think that's Maybelline.
Yeah, si Fairy Glam Mother.
Yes!
Our
So
Fairy
that
Glam
was
Mother.
glam na glam on our day.
Yes, thank you so much, Fairy Glam Mother. Maybelline, mahal na mahal namin kayo. You keep us...
And then we have
the
the G in G22 is...
Gcash.
Thank you so much. You definitely...
Of Gcash. Makikita nyo kami guys sa Gcash run. Nasa schedule na namin yan, scheduler. So, kung gusto nyo tumakbo, magpaka-healthy, and makita kami, and also, malay nyo may something na pa-surprise si Ninang Gcash, tara na po sa Gcash run.
I'll take it away. If you want to join the Gcash run, just go to the Cash G app, and then click G Forest, and you can sign up so that we can run and be healthy.
So, ang next natin is si Ninong Bench.
Yes,
Tito Bench.
our girls do it well. Yes, we love all of our brands so far that we've mentioned. They've really given us a lot of inspiration, a lot of coverage. So thank you so much. And then after Bench, we have...
Kaya mag-extra muna kay Tito Bench kasi ang dami kong friends na and also mga taga-ibang lugar na nakikita tayo because of Tito Bench.
Gets.
Thank you so much din po sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin na kami yung ilalagay niyo sa harap ng store niyo.
Yes.
That was first time yun para sa amin na makita namin halos sa lahat ng malls yung sarili namin. And grabe po yung tiwala niyo. Thank you so much. And also, malapit na yung Bench Fashion Week nila, ah.
Yes!
Manood kayo, guys.
Yeah.
And, meron? Okay.
And next, for our glamorous hair, we have Cream Silk.
Thank you po. Grabe. Yung nabubuhay, nakakapit yung buhok po namin dahil sa inyo, Ninang Cream Silk.
Tama. At they have like
Mother, yeah.
types of products for all types of hair. Like AJ, she has brown hair, bleached hair. We have like thinning hair. There's like so many different things. So thank you for getting us, Cream Silk, believing in us. That campaign with all the queens was just like so inspiring. Not only for us, I think also our followers. Don't you think?
Yeah. It also felt so empowering. So, sana ganun din yung na-feel ng mga nakakita. And also yung mga kasama natin. Like,
Mm-hmm.
we were the queen.